Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Esther. So in today's video I want to do a quick DIY spray gold paint. Yes, that's right, I did this DIY a while back. I will link the DIY I did somewhere here. Go check it if you have not checked it. And unfortunately I didn't know where the name of the spray paint, and people always asked what's the name of the spray paint. So I said today let me do another DIY and I will show you everything. So if you're interested to watch the DIY, continue watching. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. Give this video a big thumbs up. Yes, and let's get into the video. So guys, this is our spray paint. As you can see, let me bring it close. It's called a Sinaco. It's called a Sinaco. It's made from UAE, and let's see the result that this spray paint it will give us. I think I got this at either 300 or 400 shillings in a supermarket. I bought it in a supermarket. So guys, let's get into the video. So guys, you will need your spray, of course, for this DIY. You need whatever you'll be spraying. This is a bottle that initially had a honey, and then this one I bought coffee, and I have 2 of them. Then of course you'll need your scissors if you're putting a pattern, and this is the pattern that we'll be putting. And then this one was initially a wall clock, and I want it to be a wall decor. This one was from a flask. So, and then the tips. So let's see how this DIY goes back.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
spraying. I didn't have gloves, so don't comment down below like wear your gloves. I didn't have gloves. So I'm waiting for the paint to dry so that I can show you end result. Yeah, I have come to realize that the can that has the spray, it is not enough. If you have so much that you want to do, look for like 2 or 3 cans, because it's done, and I had just 4 like jars to spray, so it's not enough for just 1 bottle. Okay, so I'm waiting for the glue to dry, the spray to dry, then I'll get back to you.
Light it up, light it up, light it up. Light it up, light it up, light it up.